It's monsoon and it's raining not just outside but also in terms of the jobs which are coming across the country.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
Hi, my name is Ankit. This is Design Strong and today we are talking about HP, the Hewlett Packard company which is recruiting for freshers.
Pow!
So without wasting any time, let's get into more details about the same. So first of all, HP is recruiting for software engineer position. This position is going to be based out of Bangalore and the experience that they're looking at this point of time is 0 to 2 years, which means that anybody starting from 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch can apply for this job. In terms of branches, there is no specific branch that they're looking at. They are open for recruitment from CS, IT, ECE, electrical engineering and other branches. Like I said, the location is only Bangalore which is available at the moment, and this is a full-time position and a great opportunity for freshers to get recruited in a multinational company which is HP. So for fresher recruitment 2021, this is a great opportunity. In terms of skills, what they are looking at is firmware design tool and specific languages such as C, C++, which the candidate should know. Apart from this, they are also looking to hire candidates with very good analytical skill. They're looking for candidates who are good with communication and analytical skills both, and the recruitment is going to happen within next 15 to 30 days. In order to know the process, how does the process work? This is going to be a completely online process in which they will have 4 rounds of interviews. One will be an online test, and this online test will focus on aptitude and technical skills. And in terms of technical skills, it is more going to be towards automation, which means that they will give you code snippets which you need to correct in terms of identifying errors into it and also provide the output for the same. And in aptitude, like this is going to be simple logical reasoning, verbal ability, etc. Once you clear the first round, then there will be an online technical round which will happen, in which one of the HP employee is going to adjudge you or check your technology skills. In terms of technology skills, like I said, C, C++, and they're also looking at engineering design, which is something like CAD, if you know. So if you are aware of CAD, this becomes a great opportunity, especially for candidates who are coming from, let's say, electronics and engineering background. Once you clear this interview, this will be followed by a managerial round in which the hiring manager is going to take 1 round just to check the cultural fit and your communication skills. Once you clear this managerial round is going to be more on questions such as data structures, and there can be changes as well based on the kind of hiring manager who's taking the round. And then the 4th round is the HR round which happens. Now this is a good point because a lot of companies does not allow freshers to do negotiations, but here there is a scope of negotiation because let's say if you are a candidate from 2019 batch having 1.5 years of experience by now, so you can also negotiate on the kind of salary, let's say if you are working somewhere, and hence this becomes a great opportunity. Plus, needless to say, the work location is Bangalore, but at this point of time all it is about work from home. So if you are looking to, let's say, work from the IT hub of India, which is Bangalore, this is a really good opportunity for you. Now, how do you apply for it? There is an online form that you need to fill. The details of the online forms are here. So what you all need to do is provide all the details which are there. The description also contains the URL on which you need to apply. In case if you have any questions regarding this recruitment, do not forget to ask this in the form of comment. I'll be able to help you out because I have got friends who are working in HP and they can help you directly. And I hope by now you would have already subscribed to the channel. In case if you haven't, press on the subscribe button so that you can keep yourself updated with all the fresher recruitments which are going to happen on a large scale across the country for all the multinational companies such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant, etc. And the notifications will come to you directly on your mobile itself. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. So let's say Design Strong.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.